Okay, let's look at 10 and 11 here. What we want to look at are the resources you need to achieve your goals or influence your evaluation performance that are controlled by other managers. So we're looking at different aspects of that. So number 10 is to achieve your performance goals, the thing you're evaluated on, how important is it for you to receive support from managers you do not control? How important is their role in you achieving that performance goal? The second thing then, we want to get a sense for the impact of that. What proportion of your resources do you use to achieve your performance goals that are supplied by managers you do not control? So the resources you need to achieve your goal, what proportion of them are not under your control, controlled by others? Okay, these questions 12 through 15 have to do with the process you use to influence others to help you achieve your goals and objectives. The first one, number 12, really wants to look at the proportion of trade-offs necessary for your performance evaluation that are controlled by others, but in particularly, which proportion of those things you try to influence. Do you try to influence them all, or just 2 or 3 key variables, or none at all? The number 13 then looks at the resources that you control, your time, staff, etc., that you use to influence other managers to support your activities. In other words, managers that you do not control use these resources to influence their support for what you're doing. The 14 then, we want to look at the support you receive from others to achieve your goal that you do not control, but the support that they give you is due to the company culture or policy in place in the organization. This is an important question. Number 15 then is to what extent is the support you receive from others you do not control, again, due to your personal influence and the resources you control. So 14 is the business culture, and 15 are the resources you control yourself, and so it's a little different than 13. We're looking at what's the impact of those resources.